What's up, YouTube? On this episode of Coddiwomple Overland, we're going to be talking about the new Overland Vehicle Systems Bushveld 2 tent. Coddiwomple Overland is proudly powered by Dan Cummins Off-Road, home of the Lifetime powertrain. Also in part by Overland Vehicle Systems, Faster Freight, and Trail Rated Coffee. Be on the lookout for more Expo 2023. If you're looking to support our channel, you can find all of our apparel at Long Creek Overland. Recently we added the new Bushveld 2 tent from Overland Vehicle Systems to our Gladiator, and we really couldn't be happier with it. The Bushveld series of tents are a hardshell cantilever design. This design allows it to be very compact and aerodynamic on the top of your vehicle, still while giving you a full-size bed to sleep in. The hardshell is secured closed by 3 simple latches that are actually pretty easy to get open and closed. The tent body is made up of 600D ripstop body material, and it also has a 400 Oxford ripstop waterproof rainfly. All of the latches and hardware on this tent are made of 304 stainless steel. Some of the things that we look for in a high quality rooftop tent is a telescoping ladder and a diamond plate base. The base of the tent is made of an aluminum honeycomb material, and it's also insulated and has a built-in anti-condensation layer. Once the tent's open, the hardtop is held back by 2 nitrogen gas struts. The tent's door opening and windows has the availability to be completely covered up with tent material, to be opened with just the mesh, or be completely opened, however you want to do it. They all also have awnings that are held out by rods. One other addition that we really like is the skylight, where we can completely close it up or leave it open to check out the night sky. The Bushveld 2 tent is just a little bit smaller than the Bushveld. The Bushveld 2 tent still allows for a queen-size mattress. Once you climb the ladder and make your way into the entrance of this spacious tent, you won't believe the amount of room. One disadvantage that these tents have to the standard soft top tents is they're not quite as long hanging off the side of your vehicle, but you can definitely add an annex to get that extra bit of shade or protection from the rain. OVS has developed their awning to zip right onto the original tent and be able to be spread out, giving you plenty of room and some options as far as rolling the sides up. If you want to take that protection from the elements to another level, you can add the awning room as well. There are a lot of tent companies out there right now, but Overland Vehicle Systems puts a 4-year limited warranty on their Bushveld tents. This includes coverage for products with manufacturing defects in the materials or workmanship. In the short time we've had the tent, we've already got 14 nights in it, and we've got to tell you, we are really liking it. You can find the Bushveld series of tents at overlandvehiclesystems.com or at Dan Cummins Off-Road. We hope you found this video informative and helpful with your next purchase of a rooftop tent. If you do decide to go with the Bushveld 2 or any of the other OVS products, let them know that Coddiwomple Overland sent you. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, see ya.